All right, welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon CS Academy activity, and this one happens to be Swirling Dots. This one's really kind of cool. If you hit run, went to the full screen. So this is for my thing in CS, all just black. But if you switch it to the solution, you're going to get red on one side, blue on the other, and it just continually does that. It's really kind of cool. So the way to do that is we're going to take the mouse X location and we're going to draw a circle. And then we are going to say if it's on this side, we want that circle to be a certain color. If it's on this side, we want it to be a different color. In this case, Dodger blue, and in this side, crimson. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and say, we're going to need this actually, this bit right here. So I'm going to actually copy this, actually cut it. So we're going to say if the mouse X is less than 200, so that means that the X location is less than 200, so left of this line. Then we're going to say that the circle, mouse X, mouse Y, 10, and now what we need to do is fill this in. And it was crimson. Okay. Then we're going to do another one, and we're going to say if mouse X is greater than 200, and this one's Dodger blue, just like that. Okay, so that will make a circle, same exact way, but different color. So now if we run this, we get this. And if you go real quick, you can kind of get them a little bit on either side. But that's the idea. All right, this is how you make the red circles on this side, the blue circles on this side. All right, hopefully kind of a fun activity, and hopefully that this helps you with your coding. Good luck.